are going to unbox two book boxes. One I have received from Flipkart and the other one I have received from kitabe.com. This is the huge box. So yeah, we are going to unbox these two boxes. One more thing, these boxes are I have brought from my own money. These are not sponsored. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's just begin. So this is the first box. Let's just see what's there inside. All we have got two bookmarks. And then we have our first book. So this is the first book, The Archer by Paulo Coelho. And guys, see, this is the hardcover by the way, and it has got many beautiful illustrations as you can see. Let me just show you one. So yeah, it has got many beautiful illustrations. One more. So guys, this is the second book, Menka's Choice by Kavita Kane. And condition is pretty much perfect, so I just love this cover. So yeah, see what's inside this. Now let's just keep this aside. So the first book which we have is this one. This is Jojo Moyes Foreign Fruit. So the condition is almost alright, intact like new one. So yeah, this is the first book. Let's just keep this aside. So the next book we have is this one. This is Kitty Neal, A Mother's Sacrifice. The next book is Turning 30 by Mike Gale. So this is the book. Let's move on to the next one. The Time of My Life by Cecilia Ahern. So this is almost new. Next we have this one. This is by Evie Thompson Becky. Next we have this one. This is Mistress of the Art of Death by Ariana Franklin. And this is also very beautiful. So yeah. The next book which we have is this one. This is Land Return XPD. The next book which we have is The Beach, is this one. The Beach by Alex Garland. Then we have Katie Flynn, Polly's Angel. So the next book which we have is this one. The cover is so beautiful. This is A Palace of Secret by Rachel Hoare. Next book we have is this one. This is Shakespeare's Mistress by Karen Harper, and this is how it looks. So next up we have Jojo Moyes Still Me. and this is how it is. The pages are little bit yellow. Yeah. Then we have got, wow, this is the classic Jane Eyre by Charles Bronte, and this is the beautiful edition we have got. The next book we have is High Fidelity by Nick Hornby. Next up we have, this is James Patterson Cross Justice, and this is how it looks from front and back. The next we have is this tiny little book. This is by Charles Bingham. Last but not the least, we have got Stoner by Vintage William. It has written Vintage William. Yeah. So guys, we have also got 6 bookmarks with this book, and the bookmark we have are, so the first one is this one, and it says the best way to predict your future is to create it, and this is the quote by famous President Abraham Lincoln. So yeah. The second bookmark which we have is this one, and it says whenever you read a good book, somewhere in the world a door opens to allow in more light. This is so beautiful. Next up we have this, and this says age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it does not matter. So I liked it very much. Next bookmark we have is this one, and this says when in doubt go to the library, and it has got this beautiful picture. Next up we have this bookmark, and the quote written is between the pages of book it is a lovely place to be. So the next bookmark we have is this one, and this says make your dream happen. Last we have got this beautiful bookmark, and there is a beautiful cat, and which says books are perfect. So I like this very much. So guys, these are all the books which we have got from Kitabe. And about Kitabe, I just want to say one thing, that the books condition are almost new, and I am pretty much happy and satisfied with what I have got. This is the medium box which contains 18 books plus 6 bookmark, and I like the way it has shipped to me, and the packaging was also good. So yeah, this was all what I want to say about Kitabe.